Hey guys, GYugioh. I'm here with the new 2011 tins. I just picked them up tonight at Walmart, and I'm going to open them for you, and hopefully I get something good. I guess we'll just start with this one. The wind-up Zenmaister. I really like how the new tins look, actually. They look pretty cool. We got the promos. Wind up Zenmaister. Whatever that card is. Sky Paladin. Christia. It's nice. Hero Gaia. And Pod Duality. I need these. Got 5 packs. Yeah, there it is. And these up here. Okay. Stars. One Storm of Ragnarok pack. That was easy. Rare. Another one. Rare again. Oh, what am I doing? It goes over here. Hidden Arsenal 4. Come on, Trishula. I want a Trishula and whatever else we get. Hidden Arsenal 4 again. Aw. No, Trishula. Okay. Here we go. Extreme victory. Come on, tour guide. Rare and TG Wonder Magician. It's not bad, but I'd rather have tour guide. You know, like we all would. At least it's an ultra. Okay, the first 10 I pull one ultra rare. It's not that great, but we'll go to the next one. Got promos. Wonder what's going to be in here. Hopefully I pull a Pot of Duality. Barbaros. Smord. Oh my gosh, I pulled a Pot of Duality. What do you know? 5 more packs. Put all these together kind of in the way. Oh, there we go. Storm of Ragnarok. And the same rare again. We need some diversity in these packs. Another Storm Ragnarok. Rare and hollow. Symphonic Warrior drums. Then more commons. Stuff keeps popping up on my computer. Okay. The North Zone 4. Come on, Trisha. Ah. Ooh, Birdman. Ah. Oh well. Okay, it's my chance for tour guide. Come on. What the heck? Bing, bong, bong. A rare. Nothing good out of that. But okay, guys. All of these are for trade and for sale. Except the two potted dualities, which I want. Here's all the cards. I want those. All these are for trade and for sale. If you can see them all. There's some rares. And then, yeah. Well, that's the tin opening, guys. I hope you liked it. I didn't really get good pulls, but it's a video I wanted to make. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and thanks for watching.